Okay, so yeah, today I'll be telling you about how do you create a EC2 instance key pair from your Terraform file. So right now you could see that we are on our AWS console, and we could, if you wanna know how do you create a key pair, because why do you need to create a key pair is because if you write a Terraform file and you want your EC2 instance to work and you want to access it from Terraform, you have to make your key pair and attach it to your EC2 instance. If you make it from your terminal, then the key pair is automatically attached, a default key pair. But then if you make it from Terraform, you have to externally create a key pair and attach it. So right now I will just show you how do you create a key pair. First, let's see how do you create a key pair from your console. So you could see this is firstly I write EC2 instances, and right here you could see a key pair. We could just click on that. And these are the key pairs that currently have on my console. All of them are RSA type, and that is how you should create it. So if you want to create it like from console, you could just write it. It's very simple to write your key pair name, anything you want to type, and then just create a key pair, and the key pair will be created. But now let's see, if you want to create a key pair from your console. Now earlier I told you that this is how you create a EC2 instance. And now let's see, if you want to create your key pair, just open this file on your command command line terminal, and just write ssh keygen RSA. What does it mean is it will create a key pair of RSA type. So this is the command that is used to create the SSH key pair. So now it is getting stored in this file, but I want to store it on the file which I am currently on. So I'll just write it like this, and this. So yeah, this is our key pair is being stored, and you could see I gave it the name of IDRSA, and you could just see here that these are the key pair that is created. So now just minimize, I'll just show you how the key pair is created. So this is how the key pair looks like, and this is the public ID, and this is the private ID for the key pair. So right now you have created a key pair. Now this is the key pair that you have created on your local machine. Now you want to put it on your AWS panel. So for that, you need to just write resource AWS underscore key pair, AWS underscore key pair, and the name you could write uh, key pair, key pair. Yeah, this is the name that I told you that you want to write on the uh, this is for the local machine you want to remember it as. So let's just give it the name that you want on EC2. Your AWS instance is also the key pair. Or if not this, let me just show you I created one key pair for your understanding. So let's just go to your hello world, and which file you have created it as first instance. Yeah. So instance .1. So you could just see this is how I created the key TF. So key name you could like write it in anything. So now let's just copy this with this, and let's just paste it here. Yeah, just have a bit of this cursor issue. Yeah. So I've currently stored my key pair as like this. Now, if you want to change the name on the local machine, you could just change it to anything like key pair TF, and here also you could try it as key pair TF. Now, And this is the public key. Wait, now you would be confused about this command. So what it does is either you could just see this public key. You could just copy whole of this. Like this is the big, very big uh, public key. You could just paste it here, or you could just write it. This command file is a argument that is being provided by AWS. Now this is what it does is path.module. It just take the path of and then slash id underscore RSS. This is the file name, and it just take the path of this file and just uh, give you access to that path, and that's why you could write a neat code with this. So this is how you have created your key pair. Now this is the command that you want. Now this is this complete resource. What it is showing is that you want to create a key pair on your AWS terminal, AWS console. Now if you want, let's just create a key pair only. Let's just comment this for now, and let's just not comment this. Let's just keep it like this, and I'll just show you that this is how you have created. And if you wanna uh, create your if you wanna attach this key pair to this, so now this command will create your key pair. Now you want this key pair to get attached to this EC2 instance, so you just write here uh, key name and in this you have to write it in the form of this. Now this is a command that you wanna show you. So this is how you write it. Now in this instead of this you have to write it like this. AWS key pair. This is AWS underscore key pair. This is how it is being this is the argument that is like a base to give your instance a key pair, and after that, once you have stored this, now you have to write the key pair name, which is like key pair tf is how I've written it. Key pair dot key pair so dot tf now dot key underscore name. So what it will do is it will just give us the name of your key pair, and then the key pair name I have provided, and the key underscore name is giving us the value that by which key you want your EC2 terminal, or which key you want your EC2 instance to attach to itself. Now let's just save this code. Let's just go to the command. Let's just clear this. CLS is for the clear. And now we'll just see apply terraform plan. Now, once you click on this, once you click on terraform plan, it is gonna taking some time. Let's just see. Now you could see minus is what it's like deleting everything. Now this is what it is showing. Right now it is gonna create a key pair, and it is gonna create a key pair by the name of key pair tf. Now that is what you have given the command. The public key, you could see we have give for the public key we have given the part.module.i underscore irsa, but here it is showing the complete public key. Why it is? Because the from here it is fetching the path of the public key and fetching the contents of it. Now if you will say terraform apply, now it will just apply this command, and it will just apply the changes that you want your mm, to do. Now let's just say yes. Now it is gonna create a key pair and everything, and it's gonna attach it to your EC2 instance. Okay, it is taking a bit of time. You could see the earlier the key pair or anything that is being attached, it is destroying that, and then it is gonna create a new key pair by the name of key pair TS. That is what we have given it. So till then you could just remember the just see how simple it is as of now to create a key pair. You just have to firstly you just have to give a command ssh keygen dash rsa. Why rsa? It is because we want to create the key pair in the name of by the type of rsa. Now how you want to create a resource in the AWS, it just you have to write the resource. Then this is how you denote or let AWS know that you want to create a key pair. This is how you want your local machine to remember what name the key pair should be. This is how by what name you want your AWS to know the key pair. This is the public key for the key pair. And yeah, just by this key name, you'll let your EC2 instance that you want to create a key pair. Now we could see that apply is completed. Now you could just go to your EC2 panel and just refresh this. Now you could see the key pair tier. This is how your key pair looks like. And once you go to dashboard EC2 instances, now you could just see on your EC2 instance. If you want to see which key pair is being used here, you could just see instance running, elastic IP, private IP, and everything was there. Here is the key pair. So key pair assigned at launch is key pair TF. That is what we have assigned it to our EC2 instances. And this is how you provide your EC2 instance a key pair. And now you could just access your EC2 instance from your Terraform file. Yeah, so that is what we did today because this is like a essential step to access your EC2 instance from Terraform. Yeah, thank you.